Troy from Full Gamut Defense Arts with me. A subscriber requested this video, so here you go, and I really appreciate the feedback, guys. I really appreciate the suggestions. I've been getting a lot of good feedback, a lot of suggestions, so sorry, I should have looked at the subscriber's name first, but he said, hey, do a kickboxer versus boxing, how to train or to fight and compete against each other. So I'm gonna give you kind of the basics because there's a lot to that. First thing I wanna say is when you spar, to have a time to strengthen up your kicks, so just kick, don't punch. And if you really like your kicks, just punch, don't kick. And this gets you used to the defense on one side, the offense on one side, and both of them at the same time. So, for instance, I'm gonna have Troy, I'm gonna be basically the boxer now. And Troy's gonna be throwing some leg kicks, okay? First things first with leg kicks, all right? I have to have good checks, everybody, okay? Okay, we have these, we have for the front kicks. And if he's round kicking my leg, okay? Good checks. Yeah, you can go wherever you want. Good checks. As a kickboxer, guys, all right, as a boxer, I have to learn these kickboxing techniques in order to be able to survive here, okay? And that's the thing. Now I can start to initiate my striking. I don't want to just come in here, right? He can back up, and I want to do a lot of counterattacks against the kicker. Counterattacks. Do not force the range because a lot of kickboxers can punch too, guys.
Going against a boxer,
yes,
you've got to keep them outside their end range.
So he's acting as the kicker here. I'm going to be the boxer, okay, guys? Exactly. A lot of these, exactly. So I'm trying to come in, and he's kicking me, yeah? So this is his strategy. But if I start making foolish mistakes, he can start punching me. If I start overcoming, exactly. So that is your strength if you're a better kicker, guys, okay, is to keep them at distance. I call the long, long range. But techniques I'd really focus on, guys, if you are the kicker. Those lead leg side kicks, your round kicks, calf kicks, front kicks, keeping that good distance, okay? And you can start to set up high kicks. So more details when I'm the boxer against the kicker, all right? Here, okay, go this side. And there you go, back leg side. Sorry. Oh, sorry.
No, that's good.
So that's how you know you get them good, when you get that right on the knee.
Right.
Sorry, but that's basically what we're doing here, guys. And the checks up here and here are good, even for front kicks. If you're front kicking me, you know, getting that up, because he could be calf kicking me. I just want that off the ground, so basically gravity isn't playing a part. Okay.
I'm going for a leg.
Okay. Over here, front leg check. Okay, rear leg check, here. Now his front kicks, okay guys, just getting that out. Keeping my hand up, okay, he's here. Now side kicks, same thing, okay. That's the main strategy I have for a boxer, guys. Just be aware of the kicks, get used to the kicks, and start working your way in.